Hi everyone, myself Ravi Kiran, lecturer in physics. Today we are going to discuss motion in a straight line introduction part 3. So in this rest, first we'll discuss about rest. What is rest? Generally people will tell I want rest. What is rest? Rest means the position of the object does not changes with respect to time or surroundings. My students will tell, sir, we want rest. But if I give rest, they will not take rest. They will do some other things. Rest means this is the rest. I used to tell with my students, I will give rest. You take only rest. Your position does not change. But they will change continuously their position. They will not take rest. So what is rest? Position of the object. The position of the object does not changes with respect to time is said to be rest. It may be time with respect to time or with respect to surroundings. Next, motion means the position of the object changes with respect to time or surroundings said to be motion. This rest and motion are relative terms. Relative terms. That means whenever you are comparing one object rest with respect to another object, our thinking process changes. For example, a passenger moving in a bus, sitting in a bus, if we compare with respect to co-passenger, he is at rest. With respect to outside, who is standing outside beside the road, with respect to that person, he is in moving, he is in motion. That means comparison changes our thought process. See, some students, if they get 98 marks also, they will not get satisfaction. Sometimes. Why? They will see side member marks, 99. So, like that comparison, 1 mark more compared to me, their happiness gone. So, like that comparison time, our view and thinking process changes. So, rest and motion are relative terms. One with respect to another comparison time thought process changes. So, next rectilinear motion. What is rectilinear motion? Rectilinear motion is nothing but a motion of the object along the straight line is said to be rectilinear motion. In this chapter, almost all the bodies will take rectilinear motion because motion in a straight line. Next, point object. What is point object? Point object is nothing but a object size is very small compared to distance traveled by the object. For example, a bus traveling from Hyderabad to Bangalore, then distance is 500 kilometers. Bus size, we can compare this with respect to distance. Bus size is very small. So, if you see individually bus size big only 50-60 members can sit. But whenever with a distance 500 kilometer bus size very small. So, what is point object means the object size is very small compared to distance traveled by it. Then it is said to be what? Point object. In this chapter maximum will take point objects. Thank you to all.